You're wondering what I'm up to? Well, I was thinking of using these clamps, and they just clamp across, and then I'm going to do flat some irons I have and curl down here, crimp it like, and then the ends a little bit of a curl, something like that with this. That's what I'm up to, you know. But at the same time, thanks for subscribing, and please, who has not subscribed us yet, your little finger, just touch the button or a notification below and subscribe to us. Lavender. And just put the clamp in. I use gel. It's gonna dry. And just push your clamp in. You can't just put it so. Yes, it depends on the hair. But with this hair, I don't think so. Just push it a little bit. Push it. And look for the, you know, there's different sizes, and make sure it joins. Make sure they join, right? So they meet without any line. Squeeze inside here. It's good if you have some broken edges too. It's very good if you have broken edges and you want to catch them back up. So there we go. I'm gonna just, this one might push, but use this and push. This is a mannequin. See, you're gonna see the ridge here, and you go as close as you can. Squeeze it to make sure you get it. Can use some hairspray as well. So here we go, the big one. We want to make sure, you know, that it join. All this kind of thing. Ease inside here. Better join. And then you come on this side here. I think we're leaving this side out. I use this size, and I push it right there in. This can last you for a good 2 weeks. Yes, it can. Short hair, you can do it at the back. You can do the whole of the sides. And it will serve. It will last. Anybody bothering me around the corner, better stop. Leave me alone right now. I am on this. Leave me, please. I'm with my lavenders. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I wonder what she's wearing. I don't like that dress on her too long. Not because she's getting older, she needs such a long dress. She's not going to church today. She's not going to church. What's she doing with that flowers dress in the winter? I don't understand this. What? And the shoes. What is that you say you're wearing? Come on, child. Come on. Yes, I'm doing a mannequin here. Yes, but I want to talk to you about that dress. It's pretty. I would have liked to tell her the truth. Not yet. I soon will. Let's get back to this. I am just telling you now that I like Rihanna lipsticks. You should see how they stay on the mouth. They are so nice, and it has a nice sheen, but not over the top. And I like this thing called the, what is it, Carlana?
The highlighter.
The highlighter. I like those things for Rihanna. They're nice. One day I'm going to try the foundation. Have you guys tried any of those things yet? I see a lot of girls trying the Rihanna stuff. Boy, she can dress, you know. I like her dressing. As for the hairstyles, I love doing Rihanna hairstyles. Okay, so I got this in. I'm not going any further, and then I'll style it soon. Try. And I was just reading up what Oprah said on one of those on YouTube there, and I just love it. She said, you must complete your life to the very end. Right to the very end. There must be a purpose or whatever, and continue to the very end. And I think that's what I'm doing. And I'm having fun doing it. Let me say, I'm taking these out. Grabbing them out. Okay, this method to make you have the waves in the hair. You could set it, as well as you could buy an iron, like a wave electric, and put it in the hair to give you the waves. That you could do, guys. You know to take it. Did her in different styles. We pulled out the pieces, chopped in between to make it lighter, cut her shorter to make her into a different style to wear her. Remember the last video with her, guys? So this is another look we decided to do with her. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Please remember to subscribe. There's many more coming. Thank you again.